सभी महिलाओं को अंतर्राष्ट्रीय नारी दिवस के अवसर पर हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। नारी दिवस के अवसर पर मैं नारी शक्ति की अपनी एंड अपने परिवार के नारियों की अभिव्यक्ति को आप सबके सामने व्यक्त करना चाहती हूँ। नारी तुम सिर्फ रूप नहीं, नारी तुम सिर्फ रूप नहीं, शक्ति का स्वरूप भी हो। बेटी के रूप में जन्म लेकर जन्म देके माँ बनने का अद्भुत रूप भी हो। सहनशीलता को इसकी कमजोरी न समझना, सहनशीलता की इसकी कमजोरी न समझना। जल थल नभ पर आज राज नारी का भी है। धरती जैसी सहनशीलता, धरती जैसी सहनशीलता, पानी जैसी शीतलता आज हर नारी हर पुरुष पे भारी भी है, भारी भी है, भारी भी है। नारी तुम प्रेम, आस्था, त्याग और समर्पण की आधारशिला हो। तुम शक्ति भी हो, तुम भक्ति भी हो, तुम जननी हो और तुम पालक भी हो और ममतामयी दानी भी हो। तुम प्रेरणा स्रोत हो। हे नारी, तुम जिस रूप में भी हो अपने आप में पूर्ण हो।
मैं रत्ना सिंह निकोसिस, पूर्व महिला विकास कार्यकर्ता, वर्तमान में होम मेकर। इस नारी दिवस के अवसर पर मेरे दिल के कुछ एहसास। नारी शब्द है बड़ा विशाल, शब्दों में बयां करना मुश्किल इसका हाल। माँ बहन पत्नी पुत्री, माँ बहन पत्नी पुत्री, नारी एक पर व्यक्तित्व अनेक। सती सावित्री सीता द्रौपदी, सती सावित्री सीता द्रौपदी धरती की सहन शक्ति की मिसाल तो लक्ष्मी इंदिरा कल्पना सानिया में है। आसमां को छूने का दम, लक्ष्मी इंदिरा सानिया में है, आसमां को छूने का दम। सब नहीं ये शक्ति पुंज है, जीवंतता की ये पुंज है। शब्द नहीं ये शक्ति पुंज है, जीवंतता की ये कुंज है। अभी तो ये झांकी है, अभी तो ये झांकी है, मंजिल अभी बाकी है, मंजिल अभी बाकी है। मेरी सभी नारी बहनों को नारी शक्ति का आह्वान करते हुए नारी शक्ति पर मेरी ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं। नमस्कार।
It is said that girls with dreams become women with vision. May we empower each other to carry out such vision, because it is not enough to simply talk of equality. One must believe it, and it is not enough to simply believe in it. One must work at it. Let us work at it together, starting now on this special day. Happy Women's Day.
Hello, good morning. Well, today is Women's Day, isn't it? But one thing I couldn't understand is why do we need to be treated separately? Why do we have to celebrate Women's Day to respect us only on one day? Do we actually need this respect? Why can't we treat it equal as men and anything else, so that we are respected every day and we don't need one day, only one day to celebrate it? Do you agree? But do you know, I'm the sixth daughter of my parents. And why? Most of you must be knowing, because they were expecting a son. This thing I couldn't digest. Why son? Why not a daughter? But as I grew up, I came to know how difficult it is to bring up a daughter in our society, especially in India. You all must be facing being a woman. But who is responsible? I do not believe in women empowerment. I believe in self-empowerment. Why should we rely on others when we are not respecting ourselves? If we feel we can do, we should raise our voice, we should go for it. If we have the confidence, why not? Why do we rely on our husband, on our parent, or anybody else for our respect? We have to get it. We should try to get, and we should not ask from others to respect us. Respect is earned, it is not a begging thing. So we should earn ourselves the respect, we should empower ourselves, then only the women can take their place in the society.
Happy Women's Day to all the women around me, and Happy Women's Day to all the men around us who have empowered us to be an incredible women that we are today. And I wish that all the women not only celebrate Women's Day on 8th March, but every day is actually Women's Day for us. And every woman should now start respecting other women around them. And one thing which I would like to share is that we should start, stop judging other women on the basis of a lot of things. And once we start respecting other women around us, then surely the world will respect us. So once again, I wish Happy Women's Day to everybody around.
On this International Women Day, we women of our family are here to remember the struggle that women of our country have undertaken to achieve equal rights and freedom that we have taken for granted today. I feel proud of the fact that women are doing well in every field like sports, business, science, technology that were exclusive fields for men. This lets me think of myself and my daughter of equally capable as anybody else. With this thought, I would like to wish every woman Happy International Women's Day.
Empowerment for me is being able to make my own decisions, being financially independent, being able to help and provide for my family, and above all, being opinionated. I think I am an empowered woman, and I'm really proud of all the hard work, hardship I have done to achieve and be where I am today. And I hope all the girls out there get the exact opportunity, get the equal opportunities to be empowered.
बादल पे पाँव है या छूटा गाँव है अब तो